Hello.
Hey, JD?
Yeah, this is him.
Hey, how's it going, man? This is Derek. What's going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. Guys, I know you're reading from the title and thumbnail right now, and you're probably losing your mind because it definitely happened, guys. Vmp did indeed call me, and we talked for a little bit. But before I go into that, guys, I do have something I want to share with you really quick. It's on my computer over here, so Jordan. So I do want to go ahead and just inform you guys that with my channel, Derek Vmp Productions, we have a pretty cool feature on it where, you know, this is kind of a new feature on YouTube. For those of you out there that watch Twitch or Mix or anything like that, you're probably familiar with a subscription-based platform such as that. YouTube actually incorporated the same method on YouTube channels that have over 100,000 subscribers, and obviously you guys know we're about to hit 120,000 this week, which that's 10,000 this month, which is crazy. But yeah, I did want to share that with you because I am now eligible for that button, the join button, and I have it on my channel, and there's 14 of you guys that have already signed up with tier 1 and tier 2. To navigate to that button, if you want to check it out, you're just going to go ahead and click on my channel. Once the channel loads, you can see right next to the subscribe button right here. By the way, click that bell notification icon, that's super important. But right next to the subscribe button, you have this join button, and if you go ahead and click the join button, and when this opens up, you can clearly see you have two separate tiers right here. Tier number 1 being DVP Squad, the supporter, and then tier number 2 being DVP Squad, the elite club. And you can go ahead and read the benefits of each. Obviously, for those of you that want to show some extra support by doing this, you are going to get many free perks. And just for an example, with the elite club, after every single video, you get a shout out, and I think that's pretty cool. It's going to be, you know, a list of you guys that are definitely wanting to see this channel go to the next level, which obviously you guys know I would appreciate so much. But I wanted to go ahead and just share that with you. You know, you're going to get other things like custom badges. You probably see it in the comment section already with people with all these badges, and member-only posts, member-only live streams, exclusive like monthly wallpapers, some cool stuff like that. So if you want to check it out, guys, there is a link in the description, or you can just navigate next to the subscribe button, click the join button, and sign up, which I would greatly appreciate. Guys. So I gotta be honest with you, okay? About a week and a half ago, my mind was set on getting Blucifer boosted. You know, I just want the car boosted. Something's telling me ever since, like, I've started posting every day, and I think this is like, we're going on video 30 in a row, which is crazy. I've been posting every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, live streams on Saturday, so that's 6 videos a week. I've been grinding it out, and I can't complain, guys. I've had the best month last month I've ever had out of the 4 years on YouTube, and I'm just so driven. I'm ready to work. We get Blucifer boosted. I'm gonna put that car to work, and the content is just gonna be insane. With that being said, I did some thinking, and I talked to some people. Mustang Lifestyle being one of them. Huge help. He told me to hit up Justin with Vmp, and that's exactly what I did. So as I was saying, about a week and a half ago, I sent Justin an email, you know, a proposal, because obviously I would want to go into partnership with Justin for the long run. Vmp and myself have been, you know, chit-chatting over Instagram for some bit and getting me excited and stuff, and as of 2 days ago, we actually talked on the phone, which I guess would be a good thing.
Hello.
Hey, JD?
Yeah, this is him.
Hey, how's it going, man? This is Derek.
Hey, nice to speak with you, brother. What's going on?
Nothing much, man. Nothing much. So, I would say probably about a week and a half ago or so, I sent over Justin an email. You know, I was really on the fence with a lot of things, like what kind of boost I wanted to go with. You know, as far as my Coyote right now, all I have done to it is an off-road X-Pipe with a custom dyno tune. I think I'm like ready to take that step into the boost world and really start grinding out some content. You know, Vmp is just super on board with content creators and stuff. That's honestly, like, that's a huge thing for me. So unfortunately, that is all I could show you. I'm not gonna go and disrespect the company like that and share our conversation, but just know we talked, guys, and as of right now, I don't know what's going on. Now, I only could imagine that there may be some discussion of partnering with Derek Vmp Productions, which if they did do that, it'd be a great decision on their end. Not only would we get this car boosted and get this thing faster, but the amount of content, guys, the amount of publicity, and overall just the amount of ass whippings we would just hand out it'd be astronomical. It's no brainer. You know, there comes a time, guys, where you have such a beautiful car such as this. You know, I absolutely love this thing. There's just some days where you just come out and it's it just gets really sad, man. It just gets really sad.
What is that?
I have to be real with you guys. I'm extremely nervous. I might sound kind of crazy, but many of you honestly don't know what I've gone through to get to where I am today. You know, starting off, I was an underdog on YouTube. I started off with a $4,000 two-valve. With that two-valve alone, just the two-valve, I've gained like 65,000 subscribers, and obviously doing a bunch of different videos and stuff. But with the progression of the two-valve and stuff, I obviously got that car boosted, pinched every penny I could at the time to really get the car boosted, which wasn't that smart. But you know, I see that's a fucking dragon. Oh my god. Yo, leave me alone! As I was saying with the two-valve, guys, I absolutely grinded out as much as I possibly could with it. You know, I don't like to toot my own horn or any way or shape or form like that, but the numbers do tell, and it's crazy to even be here today, you know, with almost 120,000 subscribers, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. I can honestly sit here and say, and this might trigger a lot of you guys, there was absolutely nothing along this whole journey that has been like handed to me. And I'm okay with that. You know, I'm super okay with that because I believe in hard work, and once you work hard for something and you get to that level, the accomplishment and just that whole feeling is so much better. And that's kind of where I'm at right now with this. I've been grinding, and I think if I started dipping into the racing world, which I'll be honest, guys, I don't race, and this car has never seen a track. The two-valve saw a track twice in my whole YouTube career. To be able to get a supercharger on this, and not only just a supercharger, but a supercharger from Vmp, would be absolutely life-changing in many ways. It might sound a little corny to you guys, but first way is Vmp is all about their creators. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but you know, you have JD Joyride, you have Mustang Lifestyle, Staying Mode, that dude in blue. Vmp knows what they're doing when it comes to taking care of their creators, because let's face it, at the end of the day, promotion is promotion, whether you like YouTubers or not. And I'm not gonna lie, I've just, you know, I've experienced just on Facebook forums like sales reps of these big companies, we'll say superchargers for example, just bashing content creators. And let's be real, there's only so many options you could put on this car, and why on earth would I want to put, you know, that go-to option everybody does if that person or that rep of that company is bad-mouthing? So that's where I'm at with everything, guys. Talk to Vmp. I am nervously waiting for a reply, and you know, I'm gonna respect whatever they decide. The ball's in their court. I've done my part. I just know for a fact, if I get that phone call, I will pack the car up, go to Florida for a week. The amount of content we can make while we're there, because let's not forget, Mustang Lifestyle just got his GT500 running. And to be honest, it could be a birth of a whole new creation on the channel, which is gonna be racing. I think if I incorporate what I do now with some racing, I think it's gonna be a huge success. And many of you watching right now can probably agree with that. Let's close this. This is scary. Get this thing out of here. Justin and Rebecca over at Vmp, just want to let you guys know, if you are considering this, I'm ready to work. I am ready to work. I'm a man of my word, and once I start grinding, there's no slowing down, there's no stopping. I'm putting myself out there right now because I just want you guys to know that this isn't no BS to where I'm gonna hop on ship and then a year later hop off and, you know, you guys feel like idiots for doing this. Not at all. I'm ready to work. I'm ready for this long-term partnership. I'm ready to just, you know, take that next step, and I truly believe you guys have what it takes to help me get to that next level, and I think I have what it takes to help you guys get to that next level. And again, I don't care, whoever's watching this, you can go ahead and clown if I sound ridiculous or anything, but at the end of the day, this is my job. I get to do what I love every single day and support myself, and that right there is a blessing. And my true fans and stuff, thank you so much, because if it wasn't for you, this would not be possible. And I just remember as of like 2 years ago, man, 2 or 3 years ago, I was flipping subs over at Jersey Mike's, just wanting this more than ever, and here I am, guys. And all right, everyone, so I'm at work right now. Currently behind me, we are at 19,998 subscribers, about to hit 20K. We just need 2 more. And I hope this vlog looks alright. Like I said, I'm still practicing vlogging on my phone. I'm pretty stoked. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time, and too bad it has to happen at work, but oh well, you know, it's better than nothing. I think it could be big. I think it could honestly be big. Anyway, guys, I want to go ahead, bring you that video, let you guys know, and like I said, the ball's in their court, and we'll see what happens. As far as this goes, I will keep you guys updated with as much as I find out. When I find out, I don't even know where to start, to be honest. I'm just more nervous than anything. I don't know, it's just like crazy if this were to go through. If you guys want this to truly happen, let's show them how powerful the DBP squad is. In the comment section below, guys, I don't care if you have to set up an account right now, do this. I want everybody right now to comment hashtag VMP for DBP. Let's show them this is what we want. We're ready to work. and we're gonna bring the DBP squad to Team VMP. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, I'll keep you updated. Make sure you check me out on Instagram at Derek Brand Productions. Check out VMP's channel and Instagram as well in the description. And other than that, guys, that's all I have for you today. I know it's kind of short and simple, but I think this is some crazy news, and we've gotten to the next step, which not losing faith now. Anyway, guys, we will check you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video, and I hope each and every one of you have a blessed day. But until next time, we'll see you later.